Once you've found and selected data to work with, the next step is doing something with it in the analytics activity. This is where you'll be executing calculations, linking your workflow with external resources or tools, and applying customizable chart styles and tables. After watching the video, you should have an idea of which tutorials you want to focus on to help you get started. You've heard it before, but it's worth repeating. Getting to know just a few of these features and tools will make a big difference to how effectively you work right from the start. The workflow in analytics is organized from the left to the right. On the left side, you have the series browser. Use this to select and add time series to a document. In the middle, you have the analysis tree. This is where you work with the data you've added. And here on the right, you have the presentation area, where your work is visualized either as a table or a chart. Let's start in the series browser. Here you can select and view all the databases available in Macrobond. At the top you have the economics database. It's listed in terms of the different schemas you can use to navigate the data. The economics database is primarily comprised of local and national sources of data collected by Macrobond. The different schemas, or database views if you will, include category, country, region, and source. Scrolling down further, you'll see third-party databases from a wide array of data aggregators, such as Eurostat, IMF, OECD, and World Bank, to name a few. We call these complementary databases. As you can see, the data is organized using a tree structure, made up of primary and subcategories of data. When you select a subcategory, the application will generate a list of the available series for that category below. Alternatively, you can use the search field. This will return results in order of relevance. Opening up the series list will allow you to make sure that the series are in a comparable format, or to adjust various parameters if it's necessary. The parameters you can adjust are frequency, observations, missing values, currency, date range, conversions, and forecasts. Once you've made the necessary adjustments in the series list, you can go ahead and add analyses. For this you'll use the add function over here, which allows you to select from a range of different analyses and presentations. Every calculation or presentation that you select is then added as a new branch in the tree structure, which also means it'll define the output of the branches below it. While the Add button always results in a new branch being added to the end of the tree, using Insert allows you to choose where in the tree you'd like to insert a calculation. Easily undo changes with the standard Ctrl-Z key command, or select Undo from the Edit menu. Using the analysis tree is a powerful tool to help you see and understand the effect of each new analysis on the sequence of calculations. You can also perform various analyses using the formula language. Use this if you want to have more flexibility to customize the calculations you apply. The formula language can either be applied to the start of the tree or to a particular section. Here we're going to recreate a year-on-year percentage change for industrial production. The last point for this video is that Macrobond data as well as analyses can be very easily integrated with a variety of third-party tools for further analysis. At this point you should have a good idea of which options you have for analyzing data. Have a look at the analytics section in the curriculum for step-by-step guides on the cases we went through in the video.